The world is evolving fast. Businesses are embracing digital transformation like never before. Cloud is powering the innovation. But with innovation comes complexity. Rising costs, security risks, and operational chaos slow businesses down, creating a fuss. You need one platform for total control to future-proof your cloud operations. Here enters CloudCOps, your cloud partner. It's an AI-powered cloud management solution built for the digital age. Whether it's Google Cloud, AWS, or Azure, CloudCOps manages it all. It has seamlessly integrated with FinOps, providing automated reports, suggesting savings, and simplifying cost management. CloudCOps helps you with rising costs, security risks, and operational chaos, so that you can focus on what really matters to you is business growth. The future of cloud management is here. Are you ready? Join the revolution. Try CloudCOps today.
How this looks like in the real world. I would like to bring on the stage Salman Kaleem. He is now a Senior Vice President of Public Cloud Platform Delivery at SwissRe. But during his time at Virtusa, he led a major cloud transformation effort. Salman, welcome.
Hello.
Yes. He implemented CloudCOps during a period of cost volatility and rapid platform scaling. So today he'll share how it helped him take back control across spend, operations, and governance. So Salman, welcome and go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Alina and Sam, for the introduction to the agenda of this session today, and also walking us through the solution. My name is Salman. I have over 20 decades of experience across architecture, delivery, consulting, and cloud operations across multiple clouds. Moving on to the key challenges that we had with regular cloud operations, where challenges from day one were uncontrolled cloud spend, lack of visibility across multiple clouds, security and misconfigurations across multiple clouds, and doing all of these using manual tools and other processes was a tedious task, right? Because as an organization, you have thousands of resources spread across multiple regions and across multiple cloud platforms, and that becomes very challenging to manage it, right? And these were the challenges, and because of which we were looking for a solution which can help us identify solutions and fix those gaps that come up eventually, right? And one key thing that stood out was the simplicity, right? Because being a SaaS solution, it does not require any kind of infrastructure to be deployed and then doing configurations with your cloud platforms, right? It is agentless setup, works seamlessly, natively across AWS, GCP, Azure, as Maki has showcased. And then, it just takes very few minutes, less than an hour, I could say, to basically configure all of your environments, get up and running. And the interface is also very user friendly, right? You can get actionable insights and understand what is wrong and where you have to focus your energies and what needs to be done. So overall, by implementation of this solution, we were able to save costs significantly, right? Through decommissioning underutilized resources or resources that were just lying abandoned, and then improvising whatever we have, right? Going to modernize architectures, modernize offerings from these service providers, and then moving from legacy VMs to PaaS and so forth, right? To various offerings, and then getting real-time governance, a centralized dashboard with compliance, tagging, and ability to track budgets. That was one other thing. And then, of course, the overall security scores, right? As you have seen in the previous session, that you were able to see what is working and what is not working and where you have to basically focus. And these proactive measures basically help you get insights and help you take right actions at the right time.
That's perfect. That's powerful, Salman. Thank you for sharing. I'm curious, was there a moment where you realized just how much cloud waste was flying under the radar before CloudCOPS?
Absolutely. So one of the defining moments was when we did the audit, right? And using this solution, we were able to flag several of the dev non-prod environments, right, which have not been
Mhm.
used for 90 days. And that is something that was lying there, and unless until something is not being used, right, you cannot justify just by saying it, right, something is not being right. When you look at metrics, when you look at the data, you know exactly something is not working, and then you start recovering those resources, and there by raking up thousands of dollars in savings.
That's perfect. And I'm assuming your leadership team had a positive response once you were able to have that visibility, right?
Surprisingly, it wasn't a hard sell, right, but it was a moment
Right.
of pause for our leadership team, because once things were presented to them, it was a very clear opportunity for saving cost, and also to eliminate the risk in the environment, right? So I think it was at the right time we were able to use the solution and get the value out of it.
Perfect. Well, thank you, Salman, for your insights. And I think this is exactly the kind of real world experience our audience is looking for.